Hi, this is Adriana, and this is video number 14 of the SalesVision Business Games $100 video challenge. And this video is about Vincent Ortega. And he created this business that you can get involved. It's called SalesVision, which has helped so many people around the world live their lives how they want to lead them. And this is not a direct company, a direct sales company or business opportunity. Is not an MLM. It's a business that is going to help you generate leads online for any business, any product or niche in the world. He has turned the boring trainings into gamified experiences. So you can earn rewards, you can turn in for daily cash prizes, and they make you the learning process, how to sell these products online, very fun and exciting. So he's going to break down how he became successful selling products online from start to finish, and where he is at his life right now, like traveling around the world and doing whatever he wants, and money still comes into his lives and other people's lives too. So I have somebody looking up here. So he's gonna give you his digital secrets that are going to help you put yourself in a position of freedom if you choose to do so. If you want more information, just go to the link below and you can sign up in SalesVision Business Games, and you can create a free account. Okay, thank you for watching and share this information. Thank you. Bye.